Okay, we're going to Studio 2. Here's some tables set up. This is where our papers will dry after we've created them or coated them. And then walking in here, this is the classroom. Over here I have some of my displays today. Everybody should be coming in around 3. My table here, different things, supplies, water. In the back, a couple pieces of work there, more supplies, supplies. Here's some of my work here on the back wall. These are pieces that started off from a sketchbook, collage sketch. And then I made a smaller one, and then I took that composition and did it again and again, and really explored as much as I could. Here's our scrap, it's going to be our scrap paper box and tack iron station. And then this is where all the students will sit. And then back over here is the table that I bring supplies that everybody is welcome to use. We've got a big box of National Geographics a friend of mine donated. Thank you very much, Eileen. And then as we head out, we have another table here for drying our papers. Can't wait till tomorrow as I turn around and look at the room. So excited. Great place to be.